Welcome to the demo for adding logos to your checks. To start, select the bank account you want to use, in this case checking, and then scroll down to the Mekorma settings, and down the bottom here you'll see check image 1, check image 2, and to add the logo you simply click the plus button and then select the check image you would like to use. Now you can see a placeholder here. If for any reason you need to remove the logos, click Actions, Other, and then you can click Delete Check Image 1. And that'll delete it, and you can add a new one if need be. So the next step is to print the check. So we'll go to Payment Journal, where I've got a payment ready to go. As you can see, it has printed, and we have our logo on the left of the check. Thanks for watching the demo on adding logos to your checks.